Okay. So hi Anupam, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. How are you?
I am fine. Thanks for asking. Okay. Tell me something about yourself.
I am Anupam Ram. I am from Kerala, Kannur district. I completed my BTech in 2017. Then I
Mhm,
worked as a teacher in private institute for
mhm,
1.5 years. Then I
mhm,
prepared some uh, bank exam, some railway exam, etc.
mhm,
According to my family, there are 4 members:
mhm,
me and father, mother, and I have one sister.
mhm.
That's enough. That's
Okay.
about.
Do you want to add something else to your intro?
I'm a I'm passionate to teaching, and I'm a very positive Indian person.
Cool.
I
Okay.
can
Cool.
handle student in a better way, I think.
Cool. Okay. So how many years experience do you have of teaching?
Just 1.5 years.
1.5 years of teaching.
Yes.
Okay. Cool. Okay. So what do you know about Byju's, Anupam?
Byju's is a leading tech companies
Hmm.
in the world,
Okay.
tech company, and I
Okay.
think Byju's are very uh, uh, leading company in education sector, and it provide not only in normal education, it also provides some banking exam and some competitive exam training also.
Cool.
It
Okay.
can.
Got your point. Got your point. Okay. Who is the founder of Byju's?
Baiju Ravindran.
Who is the co-founder of Byju's?
I don't know, sir.
It's Divya Kukulnath. Note it down.
His wife.
Or
Oh, his
remember
wife.
it. Remember it.
His wife. Baiju
Yes,
sir,
Divya
wife.
Kukulnath.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. And which year it was founded? Year of foundation?
Not sure. 2015 or
Was it
15
15?
or 6.
15 or 16? Okay, not sure. Okay.
Not sure.
It is 2011. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And now tell me any five company which Byju's have acquired recently.
Grade in grade up. Grade up.
Great. Okay.
Grade up.
Apart from
And
that,
from the. I don't know, sir. I just latest.
not sure.
Okay.
Not sure. Okay, good. Okay, good.
Sir,
So all
grade
these
up.
things you have to memorize. Okay.
Okay.
You have to be confident with all these things. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay, cool. Okay. So now what do you know about the job role of yours in Byju's?
Mainly is teaching and clarifying the doubts of students. In mathematics, I applied for.
In mathematics,
Then
you have applied.
convince. Okay, yeah. Then convince
Okay.
the parents' doubts, not regarding, not only in subject wise and mental stress of students as well.
Okay. 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 So today we'll have a little demo of yours. Okay. That how do you teach students? Okay. If I give you offer, how will you teach? How will you represent yourself? Okay. So you can just do one thing. Just open the whiteboard on your screen.
So 1 minute.
Sure. Okay. So I'll be asking you very simple question. It will not be very complicated. Okay. I
Yeah.
just want the derivation of sine formula and cosine formula. How
Okay.
this comes, the formula of sine and cosine, how this comes.
Sir, I'm drawing little bit.
No issues, no issues, no issues. I can understand. Just give me the concept.
From this triangle, we can sin theta as opposite side by hypotenuse. Then opposite side means AB divided by AC. This is simply sin theta, opposite side by
Okay.
hypotenuse.
Okay.
Then
Opposite
which
side by
one?
hypotenuse.
Then which your cosec?
Cosine, cosine, cosine. Sine
Sine,
and
sine,
cosine. This is
cosine.
basically
Oh,
what you are
cosine, cosine.
representing. I'll
Yeah,
tell
yeah.
you. I'll tell you first. Okay. Just give me a minute.
Ah,
I'll just explain, and then you can go ahead. Okay.
yeah.
So I was asking about sine derivation and cosine derivation. I'm not asking about base and height and hypotenuse and perpendicular. Okay, it's not about that.
Oh, yeah.
I want sine formula derivation, sine formula and cosine formula derivation.
Sine formula.
Do you know about that? Sine and cosine?
Yeah, cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side means BC.
BC. Okay.
Hypotenuse means AC. That's cos theta.
Okay. Okay. So this is not a exact cosine formula. It is a cos formula, right? Sine and cos formula. I was asking about cosine formula. Sine and cosine formula.
You mean sine of x plus y form? That's
yes.
oh, sorry. Sine of I tell sine of x plus y equal to sine x cos y plus cos x sine y. Is correct?
That is a sine formula, right?
Sine formula.
Okay. What is
Cos
the formula of
cos
what
x
is
plus y
cosine?
means cosine. Cos x plus y is equal to cos x sine y minus sine x cos y.
Okay. What is sine 2x?
Sine 2x to sine x cos x, or 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x, or cos square x minus sine square x. 3 are correct.
Okay. Explain me any concept of trigonometry. Any basic concept of trigonometry. How it works.
How it works. I just draw a triangle. Right angle triangle.
Okay.
Okay. A then sides are 1, 1, root 2.
Okay.
Then I take the angle this 45 degree, because two sides are 1 and 1 raised to, and angles should be 45 and 45, 90.
Okay.
It's fine for.
Cool. Okay.
Then I want to find out sin x. Sin x means sin x equal to 1 by root 2.
1 by
Is
root
it fine
2.
for?
Okay.
Fine, sir.
Okay.
Similarly, cos x equal to 1 by root 2. So board is not working, I tell you. Then sin x equal to 1 by root 2 and cos x equal to 1 by root 2. Then we squaring and adding, we get sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1.
What is tan x?
Tan x equal to sin x by cos x.
Okay.
Then
so what is the value of tan x from this particular figure?
Tan x equal to this formula. Tan x 1 equal to tan x. Tan 45 equal to 1.
Tan 45 equal to 1.
1.
Tan 45 is equals to 1, right?
No.
Okay. That is basic trigonometry concept, right?
Basic trigonometry concept.
Cool. Okay. You can stop this particular board.
Yeah, sir. Sir, may I close?
Yes, definitely. You can close this particular board.
Yeah.
Okay. What is the formula of equilateral triangle?
Equilateral triangle root area or perimeter?
Area.
Root 3a square by 4.
Root 3a square by 4. What is the formula of isosceles triangle?
Isosceles triangle.
Area of isosceles triangle.
I don't know, but I can derive the formula.
Okay, go ahead. Use the board, derive it. Derive it.
So may I use pen and paper? I'm not familiar with this type of.
Okay. No issues. Do that.
Sorry, sir, I don't get the simplified form.
Okay, cool. No issues. Okay. What is the formula for scalene triangle? First, tell me what is scalene triangle? What is it?
Scalene triangle
Scalene
means scalene triangle means
Yes.
different
What is it?
sides are different. Sides are different.
Okay. How many sides are different? All the sides?
All the sides. All the sides.
All the sides are different, right?
Oh.
Okay, cool. What is the formula of that? Do you know the formula of scalene triangle?
Sir, once again, hello.
Hanji, yes, go ahead.
Some net connect. Sir, please
Yes, go
repeat the
ahead. Tell me.
question.
I was asking the formula of area of scalene triangle.
Please repeat the question. Root of s into s minus a into s minus b, s minus c. S equal to semi-perimeter, a plus b plus c by 2. It's correct? It's audible, sir?
Okay, it's audible.
Hello?
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, it's audible.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Now I'll ask you next question. Okay, in academics. Okay, what is the HCF and LCM of two consecutive natural numbers?
HCF is equal to 1 and LCM is product of that number.
Okay, and what is that number?
If
Like,
numbers
if I
are
ask your combined HCF of two consecutive natural numbers.
1, HCF equal to 1, LCM is equal to
HCF
product
is
of
1?
that number. LCM
Are you
equal to
sure?
product of the, yeah.
Okay.
HCF equal to
What is
1.
the formula of? Okay, cool. Got your point. What is the formula of trapezium?
Half h into a plus b, the area of trapezium. H
Sorry,
height. Half h.
Half h into
a plus b.
A
Sides.
plus B.
B.
Okay. Okay. What is tan A plus B?
Tan A plus B means?
If I ask you a formula of summation of tan A plus tan B.
Tan A plus tan B.
Yes.
Tan of
tan
A plus B.
Tan of A plus
bracket.
B.
Yeah.
Yes. What is
Tan
the
A
formula
tan
of
B.
that?
Tan A tan B minus 1 minus tan A. Tan A tan B minus 1 minus tan A tan B.
Tan A tan B.
Tan A tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Tan A plus B is 1 plus B.
1
tan
plus
A plus
B.
B.
Okay. What is the formula of cos A minus B?
Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B.
Okay. What is the formula of cos A plus B?
Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B.
Okay. What is the minimum value of cos when we are measuring it in the first quadrant?
Minimum value means first quadrant cos 90 is 0. Minimum value
0.
first quadrant
Yes,
0.
minimum value. Yes.
Minimum value is cos 90 is first quadrant. The value is 0.
Value is 0, right?
0. Cos 90 is 0.
Okay, cool. Okay. Now my next question is, suppose I am giving you a case in which sec A plus tan A is equals to x. Okay, note it down.
Sir,
Sec A plus tan A, sec A plus tan A is equals to x. Then if I ask you what is sec A here, okay?
Sir, once again question repeat. Sec
yes, question is if sec A plus tan A is equals, yes, sec A plus tan A is equals to x.
Then I want
Then what is the formula of what is sec A here? Okay. I am giving you options as well. Okay.
Yeah.
Note the options. The option is x square minus 1 by x. Second option is x square minus 1 by 2x. Third option is x square plus 1 by x. Or is it x square plus 1 by 2x? These are the four options.
Yeah.
Pick the correct one.
I think x square plus 1 by x.
X square plus 1 by x. Are you sure?
Yeah.
It is not the correct one. Try again.
Sir, question 1 for material.
You want the question again?
Yeah.
Sec A plus tan A is equals to X. Then what is the value of sec A? You have all the 4 options with you.
Yeah.
Tell me the correct one.
X by 1 x square by 1 minus x.
Sorry, x square.
Sir, options once more.
Options is x square minus 1 by x, first one. X square minus 1 by 2x is second one. X square plus 1 by x is third one. And x square plus 1 by 2x is the fourth one.
First one.
First one. Okay. Okay. Cool. Cool. Okay. The answer is not correct. Might be you have applied some wrong method. Okay. I'm giving you a next question. Okay. The question is 5 tan square A
Is equal to
minus 5 sec square A plus 1 is equal to how much? Okay.
Yeah.
Your options are option A is 6, B is minus 5, C is 1, and D is minus 4. What is the correct one?
Sir, minus 4 is option in the option.
Yes, minus 4 is in the
Minus
option.
4 is the answer.
Minus 4 is the answer. Okay. What is the basic difference between centroid and orthocenter?
Centroid means if we draw a median
Okay.
from 3 sides of a triangle, the meeting at a point, then draw a circle, it's centroid.
Okay. And what is it? What is orthocenter?
Orthocenter means if you draw a first take the midpoint of sides and join the point and intersecting point, they intersect in a point, then draw a take it as a center, then draw a circle, it will orthocenter.
Come again, come again.
If you take the midpoint of 3 sides,
okay,
then joining the lines and 3 lines are intersect in a point inside the triangle, then the center, then we draw a circle with that point as a center.
Okay, cool, cool. Okay. Now my next question to you is: suppose if the HCF of two numbers, note it down. If the HCF of two numbers is 8. Okay.
8. Okay.
LCM of two numbers is 336.
336. Okay.
Yes. First the number. Okay. The one of the number is 56. Okay.
56. Okay.
Tell me the second number.
48.
48. Are you sure?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Okay. Now I'm asking a question of probability. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
If P of E is 0.25.
0.25. Yeah.
Then P of E naught will be how much?
0.75. 1 minus 0.25. 0.75.
Why we take 1? Why we take 1 and we minus from 1 only?
Total probability means total means 1. Probability means total. If 100% means 1, then 1 is the base probability. Maximum probability means 1.
Okay, cool, great. Okay. Suppose if ratio of length and breadth of rectangle is 3:4.
3:4. Okay.
And the perimeter is 154.
154. Okay.
Then what is the length and breadth?
Okay. Length should be 33, breadth should be 44.
Cool. Okay. If the largest angle is 70 degree in a triangle, okay?
70 degree. Okay.
And the least possible angle of a triangle, you have to tell me what is it?
40 degree.
How you calculated? How it's 40 degree?
Just
Reason behind
total
that?
is 180 in a triangle.
Hmm.
Then 70 degree.
Hmm.
And if 40 degree is the minimum angle, we can construct a triangle. If the angle less than 40, it's not be a triangle, and lines are not made a triangle. It's
Cool.
okay.
Okay. Cool. Okay. Got your point. Okay. Now we'll have next question of probability. Okay.
Yeah.
Suppose two dice are thrown at the same time. Okay.
Yeah.
Then what is the probability of getting the same number on both the dice?
2 dice are
Two dice. Two.
2 dice. Okay.
Yes. Probability of getting the same number on both dice.
One by 6.
1 by 6. And what is the probability of different number on both the dice?
1 minus 1 by 6, then 5 by 6.
5 by 6. Okay. Now we'll have next question. Okay. Suppose a metallic spherical sphere is there. Okay.
Metallic
And the
sphere.
internal metallic spherical sphere. Okay.
Sphere, okay.
Okay. Is there.
Okay.
Now suppose the internal diameter is 4. Okay.
4.
Note it down. Okay. External diameter is 8. Okay.
8.
Suppose it is melted and recasted in the formation of a cone. Okay.
Cool. Yeah.
With the base diameter of 8 centimeter. Okay.
8 centimeter. Okay.
Yes. Then tell me the height of the cone. What is the height of the cone?
Yeah. 27 centimeter.
27 centimeter.
Yeah.
Are you sure about this?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Okay, we'll discuss this. Okay. Now tell me, if we have two rational numbers, okay.
Yeah.
So how many numbers do we have in between two rational numbers? Any two rational number. It can be anything.
It can be infinity numbers. Infinite
Okay.
numbers.
Why? Can you explain that?
Rational numbers in between. There are so many numbers. For example, I take a rational number 1 by 2.
Okay.
Then between 1 by 3, it's 1 by 6 and 1 by 7. So many numbers are between them in number line. We can.
Okay. In number line, we can represent that. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Okay. So I think we have had all the discussion of academic questions. Okay. Now we'll move to the next section of questions. Okay. That is related to BYJU'S. Okay.
Yeah.
So now my next question is, suppose I give you option to prioritize three things like money, work-life balance. Okay.
Yeah.
It's just don't just think of it. Okay. I'm just asking you a question. Think of it and answer me. Okay. If you have to prioritize your needs, okay, according to your money, work-life balance, okay, and your office needs, okay, yeah, culture, office culture.
First priority is work-life balance.
Work-life balance, okay.
Then second one will be, of course, money.
Money, okay.
And third one is
okay,
office.
Cool. The remaining, okay,
Yeah.
cool, got your point. Okay, so what salary do you expect in BYJU'S?
As per standard, okay with it. Normal.
As per the company norms, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And if I ask you to sign a bond for 2 years with BYJU'S for this particular job role, are you comfortable with that? Signing a bond?
No. 2-year bond is, I think, not accepted. 1 year bond is okay. 2-year bond. I think little bit long.
That means you have a diverse career. You can switch your career in coming 1 year, right?
Yeah.
You're not planning
If I-
long term with Byju's. You're planning a short term with Byju's for 1 year or 6 months, something like that.
No, I'm not fixed anything. But if you I get opportunity, then I can switch to another role.
You can switch to another domain.
Another
Okay,
roles.
cool. Okay, cool. Okay. Okay. So now we'll move to feedback section. Okay.